With the battery holder complete, I'm now ready to assemble the battery into the battery holder. I'm starting with an English template for an assembly file. Again, if you're using the metric units, select metric options. I'll place one My Battery Holder into the new assembly file. And then when I do that, I'm going to have a look at the browser. We can see the listing of My Battery Holder. And it's free to move around. It has all its degrees of freedom. I want to ground the battery holder. So select that, then check on Grounded. And you see that little thumbtack right there? And the battery holder can no longer move around. I'm going to go into the battery holder folder and select one battery. And just place that in my assembly. And I'm going to constrain the battery to the battery holder. Select that face, and then apply it. I don't need to go out of the Place Constraint dialog box. Select the bottom surface. Be careful you select at the end. And then OK. And you can see it still moving around, so I have one more constraint to place, and that's to center it. It's often useful to use these work planes, and that YZ work plane is the correct one. These two work planes on my original battery holder are not visible, but I know it's work plane 2 that I want. So select work plane 2, the YZ plane, flip the solution, click OK. So the battery is now in the battery holder. I can inspect this, just make sure there's no interference. Select the battery holder. For set 2, select the battery. Good news, no interferences were detected.